Hi, I'm Jessica, and this is the Martin Yale P7400 desktop autofolder. The P7400 can do 4 different types of paper folds, each with their own unique applications. Here's how it works. The first step is inserting paper into the rear paper feed. Next, set up the fold type by lining up the paper stops on both the front and the back fold tables to the desired fold type icon. After setting the fold type, turn on the machine by first pressing the green button and then pressing the rocker switch. The P7400 will begin folding paper automatically. The unit will eject the folded paper out through the front and collect it into the stacking tray. Say goodbye to hours of manual paper folding by adding the Martin Yale P7400 desktop autofolder to your cart today.